Let's take a look at planning meetings. With the trend towards teams, there are more meetings in the workplace. Thus, you need meeting leadership skills for career success to run meetings and to be a productive member in meetings. The meeting skills presented here apply to both face to face and the increasing use of audio conference and video conference meetings. How do you define a committee? A committee is a group that takes minutes and wastes hours. Top level managers spend as much as 1/3 of their day in meetings, and many people dislike meetings because they believe they're often an unproductive waste of time. But it doesn't have to be the case. You can develop the skills to plan, run, and help lead meetings and deal with the problem members effectively. The success or failure of meetings rests primarily with the leader. But again, we're all here to be leaders. So, if the person in charge is not running the meeting effectively, you may be able to help improve meetings. There are at least 5 areas in which meeting planning is needed. Objectives. A great mistake made by those who call meetings is they often have no clear idea or purpose for the meeting. Before calling a meeting, you should clearly define its purpose and objective. Participants and assignments. Before calling the meeting, the leader should decide who is qualified to attend the meeting. Agenda. The leader should identify the activities that will take place during the meeting and achieve the objective of the meeting. Place the agenda items in order of priority. Date, place, and time. Clearly specify the beginning and ending time and stick to it. Leadership. The leader should determine the group's level of development and plan to provide the appropriate task or maintenance behavior using the situational supervisor model. Some groups rotate the role of group moderator or leader for each meeting, with groups that are capable of doing so to develop meeting skills. The written plan. After leaders have planned the above 5 items, they should put them in writing and distribute to each member who will be attending the meeting.